Hello friends. Cutting acrylic sheets in straight lines is very easy, as I showed you in that video. You only have to choose the right tool according to the thickness of the acrylic sheet. Even cutting big circles in acrylic sheets isn't that difficult, as I showed you in that video. You only have to make a simple tool. You can also cut out circles without leaving a center hole, but that will be my next video. But drilling holes and small circles with drill bits is a different challenge. And with my advice, you'll get perfect holes. Let's start with drilling small holes, for example, to fix the acrylic to a wall. The best drill bit for this job is a 60 to 90 degree bit. But if you don't have one of those, you can use other drill bits, like those. 135 degree drill bits, brad point drill bits, towel drill bits. The drilling procedure is the following. Always prefer using a well-aligned drill press. It's easier to ensure a perfectly vertical hole, and it's easier to avoid the bits slipping. Always drill the sheet placed on a piece of wood. Use a low to medium speed. Place the drill bit softly on the mouth, or tap the surface till it scratches a dent in it, then following through. Do not force the drill. Go slowly in and out to remove the plastic residues. All these drilling bits won't crack or chip the acrylic sheet while going in, but they might chip the surface when coming out. So, if you have many holes to drill, always start on the same side of the sheet, so that any chipped part is facing the wall. Thinner sheets of 3 millimeters or less have a high chance of chipping, cracking, or flying in pieces. These thin sheets are better drilled with red-hot metal rods or a soldering iron. Remember, a hole in acrylic must always be larger than the bolt or wall mount inside it, or it may crack or break due to contraction. If you only have a hand drill with a fixed fast speed like this one, and a 135 degree drill bit, do the following. Squeeze the trigger very softly. You might, if you're lucky, you'll get a slow speed. Make a pilot hole with a smaller drill bit, or use a red hot bit of iron. Don't drill all the way through. Turn it around and finish it using the pilot hole. If you try to drill a hole with a 1/2 inch or 12 millimeter 135 degree twist drill bit, it tends to get stuck after a few millimeters in due to friction and can weaken the acrylic due to heat or crack it. For this reason, it's better to use other kinds of bits. Spade bits are a good option for larger holes in acrylic sheets, between 3 mm and 5 mm thick. Just like large tile bits, they let the shavings out with little friction on the acrylic. Another option is circle cutters that have the advantage that you can set them for different size circles and up to 50 mm in depth. You can also use fixed size hole saws and adjustable hole saws to cut circles in acrylic sheets, but this will only work with thin sheets up to 3 mm. And you have to be repeatedly removing the debris between the teeth of the saw. And you can help yourself with a bit of WD-40. Forster bits and similar hole saws can't be used for cutting circles in acrylic sheets. They just get stuck. If you want to see the full drilling tasks of each one of the drilling bits that I've shown here, you must watch that video. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.